Panoorin natin si Kuya na grabe ang ganda ng pagkakanta niya dito sa Making Love by Air Supply mga idol dito kay John Ryan. So let's go, panoorin natin mga idol at magbigay tayo ng reaction.
I know just how to whisper, and I know just how to cry.
Wow!
I know just where to find the answers, and I know just how to lie.
Mukhang may birthday yan ah.
I know just how to fake, and I know just how to scheme.
Kasala na to.
I know just when to face the truth, and then I know just when to dream. And I
Grabe.
know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove.
Parang original, no?
I know when to pull you closer, and I know when to let you loose. And I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly.
Galing.
And I'm never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you, but I know I gotta give it a try.
Oh.
And I know the roads to reach it. I know the ways to fade. I know the roads that lead over break, and I know it's not a deal again.
Oh.
But I don't know how to leave you, and I'll never let you fall.
Napatingin si Kuya, oh.
And I don't know how you do it, making love out of nothing at all.
Making Love.
Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all.
Solid na solid si Kuya. Ang galing. Making Love by Air Supply.
Out of nothing at all. 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 Every time I see you on the race of the sun, I'm screaming through the wind in your hair. And every star in the sky is taking aim at your eyes like a spotlight. The beating of my heart is a drum that is lost and it's looking for a rhythm like you.
Oh.
And you can take the darkness from the pit of the night and turn it to a bigger, better, endlessly bright.
Mukhang may kasalan to.
Follow it 'cause everything I know, and it's nothing till I give it to you.
Oh. Grabe. Air Supply. Making Love mga idol. Grabe si Kuya. Parang original talaga. May kasalan to. No? Dalawa lang to. Kasalan over beyond. Ibang klase. Galing.
I can make you unstoppable. I can make you find a love. And I can make every tangle at the sun of the wind, so I can make all the stadiums run. I can make tonight forever, or I can make it disappear by the dawn. And I can make you every promise that has ever been made, and I can make all your demons become. Oh, I'm never gonna make it without you. Do you really wanna see me cry?
Oh, shit.
I'm never gonna make it like you do, making love out of nothing at all.
Ang lamig.
Out of nothing at all. Out of nothing at all.
Panalo mga idol. Ah, grabe. Ah, grabe. Ang taas. Grabe. Ah, grabe. Ayun po mga idol, si John Ryan. Grabe kung bumirit mga idol. Mukhang halimaw talaga sa kantahan mga idol. Isang Air Supply ang tinira mga idol, Making Love, at talagang perfect. Whew. Daig pang original nito mga idol. Ang sarap pakinggan at ang lamig. Yung kung bumirit man siya, pero yung boses niya ang sarap sa tenga. Yun ang sinasabi natin mga idol. Yung mga bumirit na hindi masakit sa tenga mga idol, ang sarap pakinggan. So dito po kay John Ryan, no? Isang malupit na boses ito. Talagang malupit sa ano na to, videokihan eh. So hopefully no, sasali ito sa mga TNT o tawag ng tanghalan mga idol. Any got talent po sa atin para mas ma-discover sila. Para saan mga idol? Number 9. Kung i-rate ko po ang performance, nasa mga 9 mga idol. Grabe. Ang galing. Ang ganda ng boses at ang sarap pakinggan mga idol. So kayo, anong masasabi niyo sa kanyang performance mga idol? Please comment down below mga idol para ating mag-usapan. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan. Mamaw talaga. God bless mga idol. Ingat po kayo lagi at see you sa ating next video.